I finally tried something I have been wanting to do for so long. I preserved a bridal Kaleera in resin and it turned out to be so beautiful. Join me to see the mess I created and somehow how I turned it into this Kaleera keepsake. Starting with cleaning the mold using resin cleaner, I have already cleaned the Kaleera. Next I mixed resin and hardener in the proportion of 2:1. The important part is properly and slowly mixing the resin and avoid formation of bubbles.
A few moments later.
Once the resin is mixed properly and is crystal clear and bubble free, pour it into the mold and arrange the Kaleera. I did it in layers, adjusting them properly. Then adding flower petals from their varmala. Adding the pearls increases the beauty of the frame. And not to forget the golden flakes. Leave it for 24 hours so that the base layer is cured properly. Sanding helps in smoothing a sharp surface. After sanding, adding one more layer to it and blowing out the bubbles. After it gets cured, I am sticking the photo on it and adding the dates. Then demolding from the mold and then setting them for the further process, checking the level of the surface so that the resin doesn't flow on one side. Again a layer of resin and spread it evenly. After curing, just see the shine of the frame. Now I am coloring the edges in golden and adding some flowers at last. And now I notice this blunder. Dates are misplaced. Now I have to do sanding and remove the misplaced numbers. Using a golden metallic pen, I am adding the numbers. This is the only way left for me now. And finally comes the last layer. After this, my frame will be ready. After days of hard work and creativity, this frame is ready. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.